right, go ahead and come on in. We're gonna be doing a walking workout with dumbbells. You can grab 3 pounds as I have here, or you can grab 2 or 1 pound dumbbells. Go ahead and march it out here. Now in this workout, feel free to drop those weights at any point, but we're gonna be moving with the weights, giving us a little bit of cardio as well as muscle building here. So go ahead and march it out here. Remember, keep those arms close towards your body, elbows close in, core squeezing out. All right, from here, we're gonna punch it down. Let's go. Good. Stay here. Let's push. Good. 4 more. 4, 3, 2. All right, back to that march here. March it out. Let's go. All right, go ahead and bring those arms into a flagpole. You're gonna give me 4 punches and then alternate. Watch how it goes here. 4, 3, 2, alternate in 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, alternate. We got it. Here we go. Push. Alternate. There you go. 4 here. Alternate. Good. Let's go. Alternate. Let's go. Last one here. 4, 3, 2. March it out here. Oh yeah. 4 more and 4, 3, 2. Now from here, let's take it out to the side. We punch it out. All right, we're gonna do the same thing that we did in the front. Watch me, right arm. Go. 4, 3, 2, alternate. 4, 3, 2, other side. Good. Push it out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me 4. Oh yeah, feel those arms. 4, 3, 2. Give me 4. Alternate. Give me 2 more like this. 4, 3, 2. Alternate. Feel those arms. 4, 3, 2. Alternate. All right, let's go to that basic march. Here we go. Notice how we're not doing heavy weights, but we're feeling those arms here. All right, with that march, bringing those palms, alternate right and left. Let's go. Good. Lifts. Hold it here. Bringing those palms out. 4. We're going to lift it up, drop it down. Watch me. So we lift up and down. Alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Up and down. Alternate. 4, 3, 2. Take it up slow and down. Alternate. 4, 3, 2. Let's work. Alternate. Good. Let's lift. Alternate here. 2 more. Let's go. Alternate. 4, 3, 2. Let's lift. Drop. Last one. 4, 3, 2. Let's go, march. Oh yeah, push it out. Let's go. All right, from here, we're gonna punch it and take it down. So we're gonna take it up and back. Watch me. Up, both arms. We take it behind. Work those triceps. Let's go. Give me that big march. Oh yeah, let's lift. Up and back. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. March it here. We only have a 15-minute workout here. All right, bring those legs out wide. We're gonna go here. Oh, feel those arms working above our heads. 4, 3, 2, and drop it down. March it here. Oh, did you feel those arms? We're gonna do that one more time in 4, 3. Go ahead and bring those arms up. Here we go, let's go. Push. Four more. 4, 3, 2. Drop it down. March it here. Oh yeah, Push. All right, so we're getting ready to do some legs here. We're gonna take that right leg behind and punch it in front. Watch me. So take it back. Punch. Good. So back. Punch. Good. Push it out. Oh yeah. Four more. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Are you ready to go to the other side? Let's go. Back. Punch. Oh yeah. Breathe. Let's go. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5. Yeah, let's work. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it out here. Now we're gonna go into alternate step backs with both arms pushing forward. Are you all ready? Here you go in 4, 3, 2. All right, right leg, take it back. Let's go, push. Oh yeah. If it's too much on your arms, you punch it down. Okay, that is your other alternative. But if you can, keep those arms in the L shape. Otherwise, you take it down. 4 more, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it here. You can see how these small weights make such a big difference. All right, feet gonna be shoulder width apart. We're gonna add 2 squats. 2, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat. 3, 2, 1. That's good. Push. Let's go. Squat. 3, 2, 1. I see you working. Push. Two more like this. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Last one. March it out here. How we feeling? All right, guess what? You just got one more song. This is just a 15-minute workout. All right, let's see if we can add some core and balance to this. Right leg, knee lifts, we punch it out, okay? Knee lifts, we punch out. 2 more slow. Punch, last one. Are you ready to speed it up here? Here we go. Good. Keeping that core tight if you want to work those obliques. Good. Even with these 3 pounds, these weights are heavy. I feel it here. 4 more, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, march it here. Keep pumping those arms. We get ready to go to that left side, lifting that knee, punching with our right. Are you ready at home? Here we go. Let's lift, slow, just too slow. All right, let's pick it up here. Here we go. Yeah. Good, way to work. Push. Keep pushing. 8, 7, 6, 5. Good. Let's work. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it here. All right, we bring those arms up. We punch up. We take it back. Okay? This is option 1. Working those triceps and shoulders. Option 2, we're gonna speed it up. Here we go, let's push. Here. Good. Let's work. 8, 7. Good, really fight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. March it out wide. All right, here. Palms are gonna be facing. Let's work some of our back. Step out, let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, pulling those elbows back. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. All right, last one with our back here. We open, close. Good. So notice how I'm hinging forward at my waist. My eyes are gazing at the floor, opening up that chest. Feet shoulder width apart. We want a good stance. 4 more. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and drop those weights. Shake it out. How we feel at home. Give me some circles here. Shake it out. Let's go. All right, take those arms up and around. Other way, let's go. All right, we shake it out here. If you guys want a shorter, if you want to cool it down some more, catch out my stretching workout. And if you want to combine this weight workout, check out my last video. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick 15-minute walking with weights. As always, please be sure to share with one family member or friend. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you need help with your eating, okay, I just released an ebook that'll give you keys or tips to help you with your eating, what to eat. It has a grocery list, meal plans, recipes. You guys will enjoy it. Check it out in my description. Combine that with these workouts, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.